Sure guys, so today is finally the day I'm getting rid of this fruit basket. Well, not the car I'm keeping, but the fruit basket of tires on this vehicle. So you can see currently I'm sitting on Navigator Comforts in front, and then here at the back I'm sitting on Nexon in blues. Yeah, and can't wait to just have normal tires on my car. And these are not just normal tires, guys. I can't wait to show you exactly the tires that I chose. I've been looking and comparing, and I finally made my decision, and I can't wait to show you guys. So you have to follow me on this journey to go and pick up the tires, get them fitted, and of course we're going to change the look a little bit. So there's something coming with the tire waiting inside the vehicle over there just to give it a proper look. I mean, you can't put on some new tires without putting on some wheels, eh? So we're going to completely change this look, and yeah, I'm very excited. So come with me, let's go pick up those tires, guys, and let me explain to you what these tires are all about. Finally here, guys, we're just picking up the tires, and then we're gonna go get them fitted. Yo, I hope they're much smoother or softer on the road than these current tires. Jeez. Yes.
Excuse me.
I'm a female.
Yes.
Yeah, we drive through fudgy roads to get here. I told you I'm like a small child opening up a Christmas present. Yes, like it. It's so exciting. I like it. I just want to get it on the car now. So I'm still on my way to go fit my tires, but guys, I just wanted to stop to show you guys what these tires are all about. So let me introduce to you the Radar. There we go. Radar Dimax Sprint. So this is the latest generation of Radar. And this is a very high performance tire, guys. So yes, this has been extensively tested against the big boys out there. So you can imagine that this is a real high performer. The best thing about this is it comes at a much more affordable price. A few cool features about this: you get this twin hanger tread design, making sure that you get maximum traction on the road and ultra cornering performance, as well as noise reduction on the road. Rainmaster performance compound, so advanced silica compound, which is a great combination with the rubber that you use in the tire for maximum wet performance and low rolling resistance. Beautiful treads on the tire, on the sidewall, in the middle over here, making sure that when you drive through water, you actually drive through the water and not over the water, so minimizing aquaplaning. On the side over here, you get this laser engraved sidewall, very easy to clean, but also helps with the drag coefficient around the tire. A tread meter in millimeters, so it starts from 8 millimeters, and then as you drive and the tread falls away or shades away or whatever the case, this indicator will also indicate from 8 millimeters all the way to 2 millimeters. So from on 2 millimeters, you know, okay, it's time to get a new tire. So this tire is designed and developed in Singapore from Omni United, but they are in collaboration with GFG, Giorgetto Fabrizio Giugiaro. So yes, if you don't know who they are, guys, you must go and search them. They are one of the leading automotive designers out there in the world. So if you've seen some Ferraris and cool cars like that, yeah, Giorgetto probably designed them. This tire is also EV compatible, so you can get this for your electric vehicle as well as your electric hybrid vehicle. And that is why it will have this EVC sign over here. I must just find it for you guys. There we go. EVC sign. Did you see that electric vehicle driving past now? Yeah, will most probably work for that as well. I just want to quickly show you guys what your tire, or how you read your tire at the end of the day. So because I said, you'll see here it is the 82V. So 82, that is my loading index. So this means I can load, I think it's 475 kilograms per tire, and then my V is my speed rating. So the V over here means that you can drive up to 240 kilometers an hour. So yes, this little Kia Picanto can go up to 240 kilometers an hour. I think I can barely reach 180, but any case, at least I've got the high performance tire if I go downhill, hey? And you can feel how robust the corners are here. Yo, this is a very sturdy tire. Like if I compare this to the more expensive brands out there, it really looks the part. It really is a beautiful tire. Can't wait to see what it's going to look like on my little Kia. Another thing I wanted to show you guys as well, how do you know when the tire was produced or manufactured? You can see over here. So that little 34 there, that is the week of the year. So the 34th week, and then the year 2024. So this was like almost mid-end last year. This is when this tire has been produced. Now let's go put them on. And you can also get them at your nearest HiQ or any retailer in South Africa. So don't be scared to go get your Radar Dimax Sprint tires today. Okay, so here we are at HiQ. There we go. This is actually where you can also get these tires, and we're going to put on the brand new tires. I cannot wait. And let me quickly show you guys while we are here now. Let's pop this open. I hope I can show you here. Let's do this. Let's see if you can actually see what we are putting on. So this is the other surprise, guys. And there we go. Yo, let me know in the comments what you guys think, what this is going to look like. So here we go, guys. Now we can actually see what the rims look like. Well, we actually can't see it. So I think let's unbox it here quickly. There we go. Yeah, let me know what you guys think what it's gonna look like on the car before we put it on. What do you think it's gonna look like? Okay, cool. Then I'm glad. I am super excited now. I'm literally like a kid opening up a Christmas present. Jeez. My hemp. I got this on the wall. Everything. Let me take these for you as well. Oh yeah, I can take a TikTok work. So we are finally done with putting on the rims. There you can see over there, but yeah, we still need to put on these caps because the nuts are a little bit too long. So we're going to sort that out tomorrow morning, and then we'll reveal the complete look as soon as we are done with the final touch. So just a quick shout out to HiQ here in Parklands. We came late this afternoon. They quickly helped me out, and they somehow gave me some advice as well. And I have to say, awesome service. Okay, the first drive with the new wheels, everything is loose here everywhere, but let's quickly feel what it feels like. Immediately it felt like the car is a little bit higher. It's strange, but I can feel that these tires feel much softer. I don't know, I don't feel that heavy clang feeling as soon as I go over a hump or so, or if I get reflector lights inside or in the middle of the road. I have to say it really feels much smoother. Obviously we'll know a little bit more after we've been driving the car for a while, after the first 3 months or the first 2,000 Ks, what the feeling was all about when we drive through wet and dry and sand and all of the weather conditions. But for just the general or first impression, I have to say it really feels much smoother. Like I can feel the quietness of these new tires. So very impressed on my first impression. So let's see how it feels throughout the year. But we'll do the final reveal of the wheels tomorrow morning so that you can see what these tires look like on this car, obviously with the new rims as well. Okay guys, so finally the tires and the wheels are on. Let me quickly show you these tires and then we'll also show you what it looks like with these new rims on. So we put the final piece on the rim and it's finally complete, and this is going to be the conclusion of part 1 of the transformation of this Kia Picanto. But have a look at these beautiful tires. How beautiful are these tires on this car? Like, they are brand spanking new. Yes, I drove them for like a day or so, so it doesn't have the markings here anymore, but ew, these tires are beautiful. And let me show you what they look like on these rims, just to give you the complete look of how beautiful these tires are. So there we go guys, there's your final look of these brand new tires with these wheels. Doesn't it just look awesome? I love this look. Like, I really do. Look at these beautiful tires. Like, they are insanely beautiful. Check it out guys. Like, it fits this car so well, especially with this wheel as well. Like, I don't know, the size is just perfect. Imagine with the next step, well, not the next step, but after a few steps you're going to lower the car, maybe do some air suspension, and just look at that guys. I think this looks insanely beautiful. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these tires and these rims, but these tires are beautiful. Dimax or Dimax Sprint tires. Hey, isn't this just a beautiful tire? Look at that. So this concludes part 1 of the Kia Picanto, but I mean, this also, yes, like it. Radar tires, absolute beautiful tires, stunning.